Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an insect. A small insect known for its bright red or orange shell with black spots. They are commonly found in gardens and forests. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as ladybug, ladybug, bug, ladybug. Ladybugs are known for their role in controlling garden pests. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about ladybugs, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.